Germany, the powerhouse of Europe. A nation known for precision, engineering, and discipline. But beyond cars and factories, Germany is leading a quiet revolution, the rise of Industry 4.0. It's transforming how the world builds, manufactures, and innovates. For over a century, Germany has been the backbone of European industry. Its journey from coal and steel to AI and robotics reflects a unique blend of tradition and technology. Today, German factories are not just automated, they are intelligent. Machines communicate, systems adapt, and efficiency is measured in milliseconds. At the core of Germany's success lies the Mittelstand, small and medium-sized companies that quietly dominate global markets. These firms blend craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology, staying flexible while maintaining family-driven values. They are the silent engines of the German economy. Industry 4.0 is not just automation, it's integration. Artificial intelligence, data analytics, and the Internet of Things are connecting every process. German factories are becoming living ecosystems where every machine has a voice, and every byte of data counts. Germany's innovation is not only smart, it's sustainable. Renewable energy, circular production, and carbon-neutral plants are shaping a greener industrial future. From solar-powered factories to electric vehicle production, technology and responsibility walk hand in hand. As the world faces economic and environmental challenges, Germany stands as a blueprint for balance, where innovation fuels progress, and sustainability secures the future. Industry 4.0 isn't just a revolution of machines, it's the evolution of human intelligence.